Hey y'all, this is Nancy with Jolie Blanc Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rolled paper flower with your Cricut. The reason I chose to do this as my tutorial today is because my grandkids were over the other day, and when they're here they want to come into Mimi's craft room and make something. So they wanted to make flowers. We made rolled flowers. And my grandson said, Mimi, you should really do a video about this because it's super cool. So I'm doing a video the way I make a rolled flower. So we're going to be using this image here, which I found in Cartridges Flower Shop. I like this one. I kind of call it a sunburst or a starburst. So we are going to select it and insert it onto our canvas. Now, I usually make it 11.5, just the biggest that I can make it on my sheet. Okay, so we've got it to 11.5, and we are going to hit make it. Sorry for the reflection. So on my matte screen, I'm just going to click continue. And it's finding my machine. And we're going to go with light cardstock. I'm just using a light cardstock. I've already got it on my mat. I'm using just an orange color. So we are going to, sorry about that, load it into the machine and click make it. Okay, so I've got my flower all cut out, or my pattern all cut out. So we're going to peel off the paper. I'm hoping you can see this. Now I'm using the green mat. Normally I would use a blue mat for paper, but this one's kind of an older mat and it doesn't have all the stickiness, so I'm able to actually use it for paper. So I'm going to carefully peel this part off. This is the part we are going to roll. Alright, so let's move that out of the way. So this is what it's going to look like. Now, I use a pair of tweezers, the kind that are kind of the reverse. I don't know if you can. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip it on the end just to kind of hold it at first till I can get it rolled. So I'm going to do this on the end, and then I'm just going to start rolling it from the inside and just try to keep it in a circle tight. So I'm just going to roll it all the way to the end. Now at some point you can take your tweezers out and just kind of keep it straight like this and roll it with your hands. So the trick is just to not let it unravel on you while you're rolling it. Took me a few tries to kind of get it, and watched many videos to learn how to do this myself. So I'm hoping this helps some of you that are trying to learn how to do it. Alright, now once we get kind of towards the end, we've got this little tab here, that's the bottom. I kind of fold mine like this just to make that crease so I can get it to where it's going to sit at the bottom. Now what I do, once I'm at that point, before I glue anything, I kind of hold it down here and let it loosen to get it to the size I want. I just kind of let it loosen and kind of start pulling my petals back before I glue anything. Now some people will tell you they glue as they go. I just don't like to do that. I've tried it. For me it just doesn't work that way. So as you can see, we've got all the petals just kind of fanning out, so it's kind of looking really cute. So now I take my glue gun's been heating, hopefully it's hot enough, and I kind of pick it up and take the little tab, and I want to put some glue on the tab. I want to get enough on there so that it's all going to stick. So then I just want to stick it all down and hold that down, let that dry a minute. See, to where it's glued to your bottom. Excuse me. So that is basically it. I just kind of fan the petals out, and we have what I call my sunburst or starburst flower. Isn't that cute? And you can do a whole bunch with this. I've put some on my wall. I've decorated the top of my window. Instead of a curtain, I have paper flowers up there, so you can put like a sticker on the back, a command hook or whatever, and hook that up. So yeah, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Have a great day. Thanks.